Mayor Loyally Geronimo Pacquiao.
Meron po tayong Executive Vice President.
We have Sir Danny Boogie Martinez.
Ang ating pong pinatawag, pwede po pumunta na kayo dito sa harapan because you're going to take your oath of office as party officers. Ang ating Secretary General ng PCM Sergeant.
We have the Municipal Mayor of Malungon, Attorney Maria Teresa Constantino.
The Treasurer.
Of course, Mayor Victor James Yap, Sr. of Glan.
The Auditor. Ito, kilala ko. Sir Dom Lagare. Dominador Lagare. And we have the Chairman for External Affairs,
former Mayor of Malungon, Mayor Bongbong Constantino.
Sinasabi mo lang na former, pero forever Mayor yan.
Yes.
Diba? Now, this time we have from the Makima, na representative, we have
Vice Governor Elmer De Peralta.
from Jimam, na representative, we have
Mayor of the Municipality of Malapatan, Mayor Saloy June Sumbo.
and for the representative ng General Santos City, we have Ma'am Shanti Liedo Pestaño. Ang ating mga legal counsel would also have to take their oath. Attorney Amin Velasquez, Attorney Ryan Ramos, Attorney Bong Gakal, and Attorney Sharif. Okay, so please join our officers on stage. And of course, ang magbibigay ng oath of office ng ating party officers, the Forever People's Champ, our beloved Senator Manny Pacquiao. Closer na po kayo para makuha sa picture. Pagkatapos po ng PCM Sergeant Officers, ang gagawin po natin, yung kada munisipyo, Jensan, and of course, the province of Sarangani. We are going to proclaim the official slate of PCM Sergeant later on. Okay, binabasa lang po muna para masigurado. Ang kailangan po,
bata ko pa. Bata pa ba bata? Please raise your right hand and follow after me. All of office of party officers. I, please state your name. Having been elected as a member of the PCM